Types of taste.
Types of taste.
Sweet,
Sweet,
sour,
sour,
spicy,
spicy,
salty,
salty,
astringent,
astringent,
bitter.
bitter,
Apple,
apple,
sweet.
sweet,
Apple taste is sweet. Lemon,
lemon,
sour.
sour,
Lemon taste is sour. Chili,
chili,
spicy.
spicy,
Chili taste is spicy. Salt,
salt,
salty.
salty,
Salt taste is salty. Bitter gourd,
bitter gourd,
bitter.
bitter,
Bitter gourd taste is bitter. Betel nut,
betel nut,
astringent.
astringent,
Betel nut taste is astringent. Let's take review.
let's take review.
Apple,
Apple,
sweet.
sweet,
Lemon,
lemon,
sour.
sour,
Chili,
chili,
spicy.
spicy,
Salt,
salt,
salty.
salty,
Bitter gourd,
bitter gourd,
bitter.
bitter.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more videos.